Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and to my first video this year. I have some really exciting looks coming very soon, but today I thought I'd show you how to do this super simple glamorous party makeup. So first I'm going to apply Unity from the Prism palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills all over my eyelid using an eyeshadow brush from Fearless Cosmetics. Next I'm going to go in with Saturn eyeshadow from the same palette and apply that in my crease, the outer corners, and on my lower lash line. And I chose this color because it's literally my favorite shade to use in the crease, so just pick a shade that you like. Next we're going to add some glitter, and the glitter I'm using is Inglot's Body Sparkle in the shade 66. I sprayed a little setting spray on my brush to get the eyeshadow to stick better and also to show up more glittery on the eyes. I'm going to create a nice winged liner using Kat Von D's tattoo liner in the shade Trooper. And to make the look a little bit sexier, I always like to add a little wing in the inner corners of my eyes as well. The last step is just to apply mascara and lashes, and for this look I'm using Sasha lashes from Huda Beauty. For my cheeks I'm applying a blush from the Balm, and for my highlight I'm using the Luxurious Highlighting Palette by Sam Marcel. And I kind of stopped wearing highlighter a little while ago, but after I got this palette, I've actually started to love it again. Last but not least are the red lips, and I finally found a red lipstick that I feel like really suits me, and it's the Stunna lip paint from Fenty Beauty in the shade Uncensored. I love it. And that's all for this look. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys again next week. Bye!